ako ng tubig. And then mag-boil ako ng egg. So, nakapasok na ulit si Mister. Kaya ako na naman mag-isa dito sa bahay. So, mag-boil lang ako ng egg. And then, gagawa ko ng egg sandwich. Parang nakakatamad kumain ng heavy ngayon. Mali, ang baby namin is nasa taas pa. So, hinayaan ko lang siya matulog doon. Hindi ako nakaligo ng maaga today. Maaga kasi umalis si Mister. Titinapay lang ako guys muna. Tsaka Milo. Nakakagutom kasi. Dito sa UK, uso talaga na nilalagay sa ref ang tinapay. Sa atin naman sa Pinas, hindi. So, nung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, guys, marami akong biniling Milo. Kasi sabi ko nga, pag ako'y nanganak, at magpa-breastfeed na ako, maganda daw to, nakakadagdag daw to ng breast milk. Kaso, hindi na ako nagpapa-breastfeed ngayon kasi parang nawalan na ako ng milk. Egg sandwich sana yung gagawin ko, guys. Kaso nagugutom na ako, kaya peanut butter na lang. Pero nagbubulog pa rin ako ng egg. Napansin pala ako guys sa aming baby na pagbukas ang TV namin, yung medyo maingay, masarap ang tulog niya. Pero pag tahimik lang, ang bilis niyang magising. So feeling niya siguro pag may TV, may kasama siya. And then pag matahimik, wala siyang kasama. Kaya sa taas, iniwanan ko siya, pati yung laptop naka-play. Kain tayo. So ano to, coffee na may Milo. So, tapos na akong mag-breakfast, guys. Ako'y lalabas kasi mainit yung panahon ngayon. And then, ang aming baby is naibaba ko na. So, ayan. Ang sarap ng tulog. Taas pa ang kamay. So, ayan. Tulog na tulog. So, tingnan nyo, guys. Mainit ngayon sa labas. Bukas yata mainit din. And then, sa mga susunod na araw, makulimlim na naman. So, gusto kong lumabas kahit medyo malamig at mahangin. Titingnan ko lang yung mga halaman. Good morning, guys. Kinabukasan na si Mr. magbagawa ng breakfast. She's so cute with this. With this clothes.
So they get paid a lot of money. But the reason they paid such a good amount is they've got to declare any gifts that are offered to them.
Yeah.
And then they're supposed to pay for them themselves. So if someone said to you, you can fly to Doha, yeah, here's a flight in my private jet. Well, what would that cost me as a plane ticket? Well, it cost you $800. So you declare that you've been given this flight, and you pay the $800. Yeah, that's the intent. Well, he's taken a flight to Dubai, and then not declared it. And then when he was found out to have been investigated, you're not showing any remorse for the action you've done, and you're saying it's fine.
Yeah.
So we're not happy with that. So he's got to, and then I realised...
Why we're not eating the dried mango? We're preferring it.
Why are you not eating the dried mango? Good question. Why are you not eating the dried mango?
I like it. I had already one cup.
I thought we were giving it to Laura or something.
You give already to Laura, and then we about to give to Kenneth, and then you said Kenneth
No, they
not
won't like it. No.
And maybe give it to
We could give one to Rennie.
John
Yeah. He's ended up in hospital with his infection.
again.
He's ended up making... So he might not be as well as...
Gonna leave you in peace. Yeah, we're gonna leave him in peace. It's Mr.'s turn to make breakfast. Wala siyang pasok, guys. Kaya siya ang gagawa ng breakfast. Ayusin natin yung iyong damit. Tinanggalan ko siya ng pants kasi mainit sa taas. And then, pinaarawan ko ng kaunti. May sikat ng araw ulit kami today. And then, I hope tomorrow will be the same, isn't it? Because we're going out tomorrow. We're gonna visit your big sister. Yeah. So, ayusin ko lang yung kaniyang damit. Hi. You were 1 month now. 1 month na guys ang aming baby Michaela. And gonna have some small celebration. Not really a celebration, but we're gonna have a small cake. Yeah? Would you like that? You are not allowed to eat yet. Yeah. Wait a moment. Let me do this. Yeah. So, wala pa tayong suklay-suklay for today's video. Walang suklay. Hindi na uso mag-suklay. Hindi na uso mag-suklay. Ang ganda ng panahon guys sa labas. Next one, next. Next one. Next. Next. You're looking? Or you're sleepy? You're sleepy? Yummy.
I forgot to wash.
Oh, yeah. Magbe-breakfast din ang aming baby. Naiyak ang aming baby. Try nga natin itong ginawa ni Mr. Kain tayo guys. Ayan yung ginawa ni Mr. And then ito yung kanya. So ayan. So yan, pag nandito siya sa bahay, minsan siya talaga ang nagluluto. Yes? What's up? Naiyak. Say hi, ikaw doon. Hindi, hindi.
I've made myself a cup of tea. Did you want one?
I think so. I want some tea also. Thank you. Hello? Say hi. Hello, hello. Halika na, mag-milk na ikaw. Pagdedehin ko lang. So, aalis kami ngayon guys dahil sabi ko kay Mr. gusto ko ng cake dahil 1 month na ang aming baby today. 4 weeks. Naiyak na naman siya. Ang lamig sa labas. We're ready guys. We're going out and get some cake. It's my birthday. So then it's my birthday. I am 1 month old. So we're ready guys. Bali 3 layer yung aking suot. Malamig sa labas. So yan ang itsura ng aming baby. Lalabas. Lalamig. Paalis na kami guys. Yung aming baby balot na balot. Si Mr. naglock na pinto. Dala kong milk ni baby. Isa lang. Hi! My coat stuck on the door. Naipit ang aking coat. It's okay now. My coat is on the door. Do we?
So we're going to go out again shopping and taking her for a day out, and all she's going to do is sleep.
Yeah. And she's fine. I brought her some milk, one only, and then the warm water. And I got some water for us as well if we need it. How many degrees
On my
on your
car,
phone? Your car
because
is
it's been in the
liar.
sun,
How many?
19.
Your car is
But
liar.
the wind's bringing it down to maybe 8.
But outside, the real.
So in the shade it's cold, but in the sun it's nice.
Yeah, but your phone says.
What's your phone say?
I don't know where's my phone. It's in my pocket. I'm gonna check it. It's 14, but the thing is,
And it feels like
it Feels
6
like
or 8?
11.
Right. I know it's more than 10 because
And it's windy.
the roads are dry, which means it's more than 10.
Yeah.
Right, you're going to experience the new road.
Oh, really? They finished?
No,
Not yet.
we're not quite finished.
Okay. Akala ko guys, sa Sainsbury's lang kami pupunta. Titingin lang kami ng mga damit. Ayun pala, dito kami pupunta. So, bali maraming shop dyan guys. Marami kayo pwedeng pagpilian at puntahan. So, ganito ang mga ano dito guys, shops and stores. It's not that cold, isn't it? Hindi siya ganun kalamig. We're going to Boots. Good thing.
Earbuds.
And baby oil. Ito ay baby sections. Oh. May ganito ang aming baby. Tummy tippy. Cannot see it. I don't think they are small.
No,
They look the
they're
same.
the same as the ones we've got.
Yeah. They don't have baby bar soap. This is
So?
their, yeah, that is their baby oil.
That's Boots.
Yeah, I
That's
know,
Boots' make.
but 4 pieces. But 157 now. And the baby oil is 148. Are we gonna get? So, kukunin ko na to. Tsaka isang baby oil. Set also?
Yes.
How much? 74.99.
Yeah, 75 pounds. Same price.
She's comfy there.
Yeah, exactly.
Tulog lang siya doon, no? Ang cute. 19. Ay, this is so cute. So, 16 for that. Galing na kami guys doon sa Boots. Wala kaming nakitang cotton buds na maliit. Hanap ko kasi sana maliit na cotton buds. Wala naman sila. Then bumili lang kami ng baby oil and sabon. Ngayon punta kami sa Next. Tingin ako ng coat. I put this here, isn't it? Uy, careful, her back. Why she's like that?
She's just floppy and sleepy.
Ang gaganda. 16. Nipis lang. Cute, but it looks small. She gonna grow fast. I don't like that.
Okay, we'll go.
Oh, careful.
Okay, you look, I'll walk around.
Ang mamahal ng jar nila guys dito. Tapos sobrang nipis. Ito sets. Magkano kaya tong sets? No price. Ito kito. Kasi walang price. Ayun. 8 pounds. Medyo pricey. Ano pa kung measuring cup pala? Find me a measuring cup if they are cheaper here. Measuring cup if they are cheaper here.
If you can find one.
They don't have. If they are cheaper here.
If you can find one.
They don't have. Ay, mas mahal. 5. Ay, hindi mas mura. Punta din kami dyan guys sa Curry. Nagtingin-tingin ng iPhone 16 yung mga prices. And then, napagod kami maglakad-lakad. Bumili lang kami ng cake. Pupunta yata kami ngayon sa Subway. Titingin si Mr. ng sandwich. 1 pound. 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 1 baby tulog pa din. So, kanina pa siya nag-milk around 10:30 a.m. And ngayon ay parang 1:45 na. So, tulog pa rin siya. Yeah, it's around 2 na, 2 p.m. So, we're going to... Ay! Careful naman.
Yeah?
Who?
There's nowhere to park, look.
There, it's too wet. In between, red and white car.
Okay.
Here's my card then. Where is it?
I'll pick.
Okay.
You can shout at me if I get it wrong. Okay?
Not gonna use this?
No, I'll put it on mine.
Okay. Kauwi na kami guys. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Pagod yata kami. Kakalakad. And then medyo malamig sa labas. Mawala na yung araw. Nakauwi na kami. Lahat-lahat ang baby ay tulog pa din. So ito lang yung binili namin guys. Cake and then dumaan kami sa Subway para sa lunch. So bumili lang ang baby oil. Para pag nililiguan ko siya, lagyan ko siya sa likod para hindi lamigin. And then itong soap. Sa Boots kami bumili. Mukha naman siyang maganda. Cotton buds. Malaki pa din. Para kumali. And then, itong nakuha ni Mr. Ano to? Oven baked fried. And then the other one, biscuit. Ito kailangan ko to. And kanyang laundry basket. Kailangan niya ng lagayan ng maruming damit. This here. Check din kung maganda. Pero punta pa kami sa home bargain. Bargain pala doon. Medyo mura-mura yung mga items nila. Kaya, okay din. Check din, hindi ko maano. Yan. Ayan. Para sa kanyang mga damit at lambing. Sana lang matibay, no? Parang mahuna. Sana tumagal. Muna natin ito. I want to try this.
I thought you were going to wash them.
Huh?
I thought you were going to wash them.
Which one?
These.
No? Hmm? It's not nice. You said it's nice. Tastes burn. It's bitter. Ang pait.
Give me one.
They are burned. Not to be like that?
No.
They are burned.
No, that's right. It's the Marmite on it.
I don't like it. Lasang sunog.
You like those?
Ganun. Nothing special.